If someone was to ask me today, how exactly are you planning to make money online? I could finally answer them. I will say I don't have a plan now. I have a system. And today, that is what I'll be sharing with you. When I first started looking into making money online, I made the same mistake many beginners make. That is trying to learn everything at once. You see me one day watching a video on dropshipping, the next day I was watching print on demand videos, the next day I was learning graphic design videos, the next day I'll be watching affiliate marketing. I had no clear direction, and that made me stagnant. I didn't have any progress at all. I had no clear direction of what I wanted. So I decided to make things simple for myself. Here are five things I am focusing on now. Number one is my Prela English Academy. I told you in my first video I have an academy. I am focusing on that. Basically, I teach English and my learners connect from all over the world. Number two is my YouTube. Now, this is where I'm documenting my journey from start to the top, of course. Number three is my digital product. I have digital product for ESL teachers. Yes, and I have a store running. Number four is my virtual assistant course journey. I have taken the course and I am still looking for jobs here and there, freelancing, working with agents and a whole lot going on. We'll talk about that later. And number five, my Pinterest and blogging. I am driving traffic from Pinterest to my blog and I am blogging to give valuable information so that if people come from my Pinterest, they will learn something and, of course, drive traffic and sales in the end. I am not expecting any of these to blow up overnight. I know these things take time, and that is why I am keen on not giving up. Of course, I'm not going to give up. Yeah, my main goal is to basically build small streams of income that grow together over time. So, if you are building something online or anything at all you're building, I would love for you to follow along as I learn from you and you learn from me. Of course, I'll learn from you in the comment section and you learn from me from my videos. And I will be sharing my mistakes, my wins, the do's and don'ts of what I'm doing. And who knows, maybe you can also start doing what I'm doing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.